Hi everybody, I hope you enjoyed your day off from Memorial Day, day off of schoolwork. This is your science lesson for today, Tuesday, May 26th. We're going to go over what you have to do today. I'm going to work with you each individually in your Zoom sessions, okay? So we're on page 658. Sum it up, okay? Looks like this. Okay, so you have parts of a wave and then characteristics of sound, and there's all questions in there that relate to those topics. Okay, so those I'm going to go over with you individually. Okay, then the next thing you do is wordplay. Okay, and this is the same kind of concept. It's using vocabulary and words you've learned throughout this chapter. Okay, so we have a picture all the way on the left, the word, and then a definition on the right. You have to connect all three. So I did one for you. I picked the easiest one. I did wave. Okay, so I know a wave looks like that. That's a picture of a wave, type of wave. And I know that a wave is a disturbance that carries energy. Okay, and I know that because it says it in the first section of the lesson 1. Okay, so you're going to have to go back and look through the sections to find the answers. What I did want to work with you on is page 660. Okay, that's what I wanted to work with you on. Okay, 660, so we're on page 660, apply concepts. Okay, all right. So the first one actually says 2, 3, and 4. So number 2 says define wave. Then explain how vibrations, waves, and energy are related to sound. Okay, so we have to go back, right? Let's go back. And if you look on page 648 in your packet, it says a wave is a disturbance that transmits energy. So that's perfect. We're going to write that down. A wave is a disturbance that transmits energy. Okay, that's the first part of the question. And it was actually the definition I picked for the wordplay for the last page. So it's the same thing. It's a disturbance that that transmits energy or carries energy. Same thing. Okay. So that's that part of the question. And then it says explain how vibrations, waves, and energy are related to sound. Okay, so sound is made out of vibrations and sound waves, right? And it transmits energy. So it's related to all three of those things. So vibrations cause sound. And we'll put sound waves that takes care of how waves are related to it. So vibrations cause sound waves that transmit energy or give off. Transmit's just another word for give off energy. Okay. Now, like we said, there's different kinds of waves. The wave on the other picture was an ocean wave. Okay, so sound waves work differently. They work off of vibrations. Okay, and that carries the sound waves through the air, and then that's transmitting energy, okay? So the second part of the question is, vibrations cause sound waves that transmit energy, okay? All right, let's move on to number 3. Label the pictures 1, 2, and 3 to indicate the speed at which sound travel through in each kind of matter. Let 1 be the fastest and 3 be the slowest. So remember, we have solids, liquids, and gases. And particles are farthest apart in gases, in the middle in liquid, and they're closely packed together in solid shape, okay? So the closer, more particles and closely packed together, the sound travels fast, sound waves travel faster. Okay, so what's the solid here? This is the door, obviously. It's made out of wood. So we're going to put that to, we're going to label that 1. That's the fastest. Okay? And then what's the liquid here? We have, looks like a cup of orange juice. Could be Sunkist, I'm not sure. So that's number 2. That's second fastest. And then number 3, it has a picture of a balloon, which is representing gas. So that is the slowest. All right? Now let's look at the bottom here, number 4. It says, identify the level of volume and pitch for each sound. Underline your choices. Now remember, sound pitch and sound volume have nothing to do with each other. A pitch is just the difference, it's just a different sound. Volume is just how loud something is. So I did that funny thing where I did the high pitch. The high pitch would sound like ee. A low pitch would sound like like lower, like bass-like, okay? So let's look at the first one. It says fire engine siren. I would say that's pretty high pitched, right? Okay, so I'm going to put high for pitch, and volume's actually first, and it's also high volume. Think about when a fire truck comes by. It's pretty loud. Sometimes makes you want to cover your ears. So volume is high, and the pitch is high, okay? Bird chirping. That's definitely a high-pitched sound, okay? Especially smaller birds, they have even higher pitched sounds. In the volume, probably low. It's not that loud, right? Okay, so we're going to put low for that. So volume for bird chirping is low and pitch is high. Large diesel truck engine, a big diesel truck engine. It's pretty loud, so we're going to put high for volume. The pitch is low, okay? A motor or motorcycle, a car, a big truck has a very low type of pitch, okay? Refrigerator hum. Volume isn't that loud. We read about it. They said it was, I think it was about like 40 decibels. Okay, so that's going to go under the low category for volume. For pitch, I would also say that's low. Okay, it's a very kind of low pitched hum. Okay, so it's low for both, for refrigerator hum. Okay, falling rain. Volume, probably low. Okay, you hear the rain outside, but it doesn't hurt your ears. Okay, and the pitch is low. It's not really ear piercing. Okay, thunder. Volume, I would say definitely high, especially if it's close to you. Depends how close it is to you. If it's off in the distance, the volume's probably low, so it could either go either way. But generally, if you're near thunder, the volume's high. Okay, so we'll just stick with high. The pitch, it's pretty low. Okay, it's not a ear screech. Another example of a high pitched sound would be like a screeching of brakes, like in a subway or on a car. That's very high pitched. If you ever heard that ear piercing scratch when someone's using a chalkboard and it screeches, okay, those are high pitched sounds. So thunder is it's low. Okay, so the volume is high and the pitch is low. And then the rest we're going to work on together, okay? So I hope this helped and you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.